A crate of mass 100 kilograms is raised to the top of a building by a cable attached to an electric motor. The motor maintains a steady speed of 1 meter per second. The crate of mass 100 kilograms would be modelled as a particle. The cable would be modelled by a light, inextensible string. To this diagram, we can now add the weight of the object, 100 times g, where g is the acceleration due to gravity. The weight of the object is mass times gravity. Throughout this course, we'll be taking the acceleration due to gravity to be 9.8 meters per second squared. Our object is moving upwards, and there must be a tension in the string which is pulling upwards on the crate. The electric motor we wouldn't put in the diagram, but we know that it maintains a steady speed of 1 meter per second upwards, and we would add this to the diagram.